Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. OKP Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With the two large wheels, and the auto-adjusting, clean head of the pet hair, robot vacuum for carpet moves effortlessly, from hard floor to carpets to get the mess. You can easily create a home clean schedule, change the clean mode, and control the clean direction by using the OKP app. Number 4. Leffen Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With an 11-inch diameter and 2.99-inch height, the vacuum robot can work under or around the bed, sofa, and other furniture for a thorough cleaning, with high coverage and ultra-low failure rate. This can help the robot vacuum cleaner detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. Number 3. Coredy Robot Vacuum Cleaner. R750 Robot Vacuum Cleaner supports Boost Intellect technology, enables it automatically increase suction power within seconds when carpet is detected, moves effortlessly from hard surface, floor to carpet. Once off the carpet, normal suction returns. Number 2. Eufy Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds. When extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors, with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Automatically recharges, so it's always ready to clean. Number 1. Neato Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Neato's laser smart slam technology with LiDAR completely maps, navigates, and cleans your home. Unlike camera-based technology, LiDAR allows Neato robots to navigate and clean even in the dark. With a runtime of 100 minutes, clean up to 750 square feet on a single charge. Ideal for smaller homes,